everybody, it's Neil and I have this. This is my multifunction USB speaker, and it's by Television partners instead of television, but whatever. They got some spelling issues. They also have some grammar issues. But let's check this thing out and see what it looks like and how it works. So here we go. Box is empty. This is the instructions for it here. It's like a single page of instructions. So we're going to give this thing a try here. So this is what it looks like here. And then you have a little control knob there to turn the volume up. And I don't even think there's a power button because I guess once you plug it in, it'll just do whatever. So I'm going to plug it into my laptop and see what happens here. You know what? I don't have a USB port on my laptop. I have USB-C. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it plugged in now, and I got it plugged into my computer, and
Dyson
I will say
V8 or SV10.
It gets way loud.
I'll show you guys
so
what
it's
it looks
pretty
like
loud compared to my computer here.
how it'll work. So just kind of explain it for you.
So I don't know if you can hear it. It sounds really good. It sounds a lot better than my computer speakers. But definitely a cute little desk item here. It's got, I'm going to turn it off, but I don't think you guys are going to be able to know the sound anyway. But it's got these like rubber little feet on it here, so it'll kind of stay on your desk that way with a slight slant. It's got the woofer holes in it in the back, so it will have some good bass sounds. And then it's got a, I'd say about a 4 foot, 5 foot cord. So this is what it is and how it looks. I guess because I paused it and stuff, it just turned itself off. But there now it's on again. But so it's cool. And then this just rotates, you know, old school, turn the dial and make it sound. So I'm going to say this is nice. So thumbs up. Very nice. Nice little speaker set. So I like it. Easy.